channel. If you're here for the first time, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. But if you were here before, thank you so much for coming back. Today I'm going to share with you how to make single crochets. So without further ado, let's get started. So today I'm going to show you how to make single crochet. For that, first you need to know how to make a slip knot and how to make a foundation chain. So please go ahead and watch my videos on how to make a slip knot and how to make a foundation chain, and then come back to see how to make a set of single crochets. So this is the foundation chain which I already have, and now I'm going to show you how to make single crochets. You have to skip the first chain which is on your hook. So go to the second chain and insert your hook inside this chain. And now wrap the yarn around your hook and insert the hook inside the chain. Now you have 2 loops on your chain. Again wrap the yarn and pull through these 2. So that's your single crochet. Now we'll go to the second one and do this again. Insert the hook inside the chain and wrap the yarn and pull it. Now you have 2 hooks on your loop. Again wrap the yarn around your hook and pull through these 2. That's one more single crochet. I'll show you 2 more times. Wrap the yarn, insert the hook inside your chain and wrap the yarn and put it inside the chain. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Insert the yarn, wrap it around the hook and now pull it through the 2 loops. One more time. Insert the hook inside your next chain. Now wrap your yarn and put it inside the chain. Now again wrap your yarn and pull through the 2 hoops on your loop. So that was single crochet. Now please go ahead and finish it. Okay, just one more left and we'll be good to go. Yeah, so that's how your single crochets look like. And if you want to go to the next row, just make a chain and turn your work, and again insert your hook through the first chain and pull your yarn. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Now now wrap the yarn around your hook and pull through the first 2 loops. Do the same for the second. Insert the hook into the second chain and wrap your yarn. Now take it out from the chain. Now you have 2 loops on your hook and wrap the yarn again and pull through the 2 loops. So that's that's the beginning of your second row, and so that's it. So yeah, that's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that. While subscribing, you can see there is a bell icon. Please hit the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and happy crocheting!